In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Loop for meeting notes. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a clean notes page, use the built-in meeting notes template, resolve, buy something, and share it with your team for real-time collaboration. Start by opening Microsoft Loop in your browser. Once you're on the Loop home screen, look to the upper left and choose Create New. This starts a fresh workspace item so you're not editing anything old or cluttered. When the creation options appear, select Page. A page is a flexible canvas in Loop that can hold text, tasks, and collaborative components, which makes it perfect for structured meeting notes. On your new page, move your eyes to the lower right area of the screen. That's where Loop highlights helpful templates and components. Find the one labeled Meeting Notes. If you don't see it immediately, scroll the Suggestions panel or resize your window so the gallery is visible. Click Meeting Notes to open its preview, then choose. Use this template. Loop will drop a ready-made structure onto your page with sections like Agenda, Attendees, Discussion Notes, Decisions, and Action Items. You can begin typing right away. Feel free to tweak headings, add dates, or insert extra sections. Loop is very flexible and updates for everyone in real time. When you're ready to collaborate, look back to the upper left for the Share button. Click Share to open your sharing options. You'll typically see 3 ways to share. You can copy a link with the right permissions, invite specific people by entering their addresses, or share the content as a Loop component that can be pasted into apps like Teams or Outlook. Choose the method that best fits how your team works. If you're unsure, copying an edit-enabled link is a quick, reliable choice for internal meetings. Back on the page, notice the 6-dot handle that appears to the left of blocks or section titles. Click that 6-dot handle to grab and move a block. This is handy if you want to reorder your agenda, pull action items to the top, or simply tidy up after a discussion. Drag and drop until the layout matches how your team thinks. That's it. You opened Loop, created a page, inserted the meeting notes template, shared it with your team, and learned how to rearrange content with the 6-dot handle. A quick tip before we wrap up: rename the page to include the meeting title and date, and as you capture action items, assign an owner and a due date so follow-ups don't get lost. Thanks for watching, and happy collaborating in Loop.